Hello, everybody. This is Lumibanks here. You are welcome to yet another YouTube video where I share analysis and then forecast in the forex markets, my anticipation and my view. Yeah. Um, if you are new here, please subscribe. So without further ado, let's get to the business. I've been on, the majors. The major currency I've been talking about has been Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP CAD, and gold. And there is an opportunity that I'm seeing in the CAD JPY market, but I won't be really delving into this today until it's time to, like, we are close to where I'll be taking action. Currently, I'm still watching what's happening in this market. If you notice, once I choose certain markets, if it's for I deal with them, I want to see what's really happening in this market, what really wants to happen. Like, it's not just seeing, you want to make it, you want to make, let's say, make the best use of it. And those ones I'm focusing on, we have history. These markets, I've been tracking for a long while. Like, there are moves I've been expecting last year. For example, this GBP card sell move, I've been anticipating it, and since 2023 December, yeah, December 9 to be precise, I've been anticipating that price do drop down to this level from the current place where it is. Well, I'll be talking about this later in the video. Please stay to the very end so that you don't miss out on what I have to say, what I'll be sharing in this video. Without further ado, this is Euro USD. So Euro USD, what's happening? I predicted the up move from this. In my very first or second or third video. Yeah, this channel is still new, by the way. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lumibanks. Yeah, click the notification button, and then so that you don't miss out on future video. In future, I'll be delving into crypto analysis and the stock market as well. But for now, let's enjoy the forex analysis. I'll be doing synthetic indices analysis to talk of V75 and volatility 25 and all that, VIX. We're gonna be looking at it together. But for now, let's just enjoy the ride on the forex market. This is a big channel. It's a big, big channel. Talking of things that will come to pass. Yes, definitely. I won't happen without you subscribing and sharing this video. So do the needful. If my video has helped you, subscribe, share, like, comment, turn on notification. All right. I predicted this run up here. If you look, I made a reference to this very place, this very line around here. I made a reference to it. Yeah, in the past. Let me zoom this in. uh, this very place, this very other block. I made a reference to it that I'm expecting price. Actually, in like I think it's my second video where I said earlier before now, I was expecting a trade into this other block. This month is December. Around November, December, I was expecting price to really tap into this other block, the body of the candle, and then rally up. But will I say, well, fortunately, it didn't happen. Price just rally up without tapping deep into the zone I was expecting it. And I wasn't, expecting that kind of run up, and I didn't take that advantage. Yes, as much. I didn't take it. So when price was returning, I know that okay, price is most likely, my other block is still valid. Let's see what price do around there. And you can see on the weekly what price is doing, rejecting just around the other block. Let me hide the drawing so we have a plain chart. What's this? This thing is not cooperating, but you can see that okay, this area we having a bounce, and we are going up from the other block. You know that once this is happening on the if you are a weekly time frame trader, yeah, I love this. If you are a weekly time frame, if you are trading weekly, look at the trade into it. Look at it how it trade into it. So sweet, so cool. Look at it. Week, 1 week, and another week, and if you know as a trader we know I know that I don't say we know because you may not know. I know that the first target profit target is here, and the next profit target for this market will be is here. I'm coming. Okay, look at this. The next profit target is here, so you can see it on your screen. Yeah. By the way, if you are not subscribed, you are missing out. Subscribe, share this video so that it goes viral. It has to go viral. It must go viral. It should go viral. Yeah. Okay. So this 1.2 zone and the 1.1 zone, that's the profit targets if you are a swing trader like me. And though these days I'm evolving into a day trader, but essentially now I am a swing trader. I still remain a swing trader. It doesn't mean I will be holding all the way from down here to this very zone. No, I have challenge accounts currently. I have challenge accounts. Yeah. So once I hit 5%, I take off my thing. I take off the profit. Once I hit 8%, pass the evaluation. Even when I get to life, once I hit 5%, I want to request for withdrawal. I just will request for it because most pro firm they want you to close. You have to close all your profits, all your orders before you apply for withdrawal. So that's just it. That's for the evaluations. So that's pretty much it. Um, so this is it on the weekly, and then on the daily. On the daily, we see I call the trade up from this 1.08 level that just before price got into it. I call that okay. Price will bounce. We probably bounce from the 1.08 level. I mean, yeah, and I did enter my buy on this level, this purple line, this very purple line. I enter my buy order there. So what is it again that I'm expecting on Euro USD? Euro USD, let's check the 4 hours. I talk about it, I think in the past couple of video, I talk about how this is what I'm expecting from here as it goes up. I like the way it trade here. That we break this high here, and then we come back down, check a key level around here. This is a 1 hour fair value gap that I've marked out, and then we go up. We continue the ride, the long ride. And if we're continuing the ride, um, I'm expecting that okay, price goes beyond even here for TP1 on this. Yes, that's my anticipation. But as we can see, it's not happening currently. Though it's a new month and maybe the low of the new month could just form and it could just come into this zone before we eventually rally. I entered trade here and I take it out. I think somewhere around here when price was dropping because you know just to secure I bag all the profits. Yeah. Right now I'm still sitting on the fence. Whether I trade back into this zone or I just keep trading up, I will look for my long entry. Yeah, that is it on Euro USD. I still expect that it come down just below any buy signature I see beyond and below this 1.8 zone. That price is retesting. This is like it's seeming like a, support level as though it's very strong, but it would be so lovely if price break it, roast the retails and then break this level and then find a POI around here to continue the uptrend. Just watch out for what is going to happen next on Euro USD. Overall, I'm holding a buy bias on Euro USD. Yeah. Uh the next currency pair I'll be talking about is GBP USD. GBP USD also a long bias. I'm holding a bullish bias. I've been bullish, yeah, and I talk about how I want to catch the next 200 pips move from 1.26 to 1.28, and then we're on the daily, and then let me zoom into the 4 hours. Um, I did enter on a buy just above the 1.26 level. I entered a buy around just above around here. No, below, yeah, below it. I entered a buy below it. And market just, you know, go up. I took off sell along with the Euro USD order. This is the same area where I took off my buy order. I took I closed on my order, my buy order. So again, uh for GBP, you know, it's there's a POI here. I'm still expecting that okay, this zone is valid too. This psychological zone to 1.26 is also valid. Right now I don't have any position I'm holding. This markup, this very markup is a don't mind it, it's not for the swing trade, it's a day trade analysis I did. I didn't enter the trade, yeah, but uh it played out very well. I didn't enter it. I think there was news around that time, so I didn't pay attention to it because news can be so volatile. I don't trade news. I don't trade news. So what I'm expecting for GBP USD next is right now I'm still sitting on the fence, but probability that we still trade down into this zone there is. And once I get a buy signature anywhere, if we are buying from here or we just continue from this 01.26 zone, wherever I find my buy signature, uh, best assured I'm holding my buy to this zone 1.28 level. That's the overall target, and that's the overall target for now, and that's where I'll be holding GBP USD to. I'm expecting something like this, and then right to the top. So that is it. Next is GBP card. Ew! GBP card. Yeah, I've been talking about this um from day one on this channel. How I'm expecting a long set. Something like this. Something like this very one. Yeah, I'm expecting a big set. A set like this. So is it happening? Is it gonna happen? Yeah, I talk about it in the past, and then I'm gonna talk about it right now, right here again. GBP card. Looking at the charts, GBP card is been funny. I have my limit order around this place because of the fair value gap created on the 4 hours and priced it came down, and then before all this I was saying it when price was around there that uh I think before it got here that my entry zones are two. If there had not been a fair value gap here, the 1.71 level is where I would have entered a sell from. But because of this fair value gap, and I said that I don't even care if price in fact continue down from here, that you just do this, come down, and then I'll just I won't care if it breaks all this low. I'll just look out for a re-entry, like a retracement, and then re-enter the market the following week. But obviously, I didn't get in the sell because price didn't give that sell signature, sell move. Instead, it traded into my POI and triggered my trade. I risk 1% on my prop account here, and then go all the way up. Thankfully, my stop loss is just above the 1.72, above the 1.722 level. Yeah. So it retraced back down, and we are currently trading in the zone. I still have my 1% um order in it, 1% order position. Yeah. What I'm expecting is that okay, we still flush down. We still flush down. But I now streamline this thing. Like I don't know why it's making a double top, equal highs here, because I didn't really want to see an equal high in this market. It's not making sense. It's not making sense. But the way I'm seeing this right now, I'm seeing this equal high is not an intentional market. Even though it's an intentional market, I do not expect it to break until my our bias is feed already. Price could just break it, but I'm seeing this as manipulation right now. I'm seeing I don't want to see it break. Even though I have other this is not emotional shit, it's not some kind of emotional shit. I risk what I know that okay, I can bear to risk. And in fact I've thrown another order, a limit order into the market. Why is because I've been following this market for I've been expecting this sell that want to happen, that potentially want to sell um, since last year. And if you have been following me, you already know this. So on the 1 hour, why I'm showing this, the 0.5% order in is on the 1 hour. There is a level here. If you know, you know. This is a psychological level coupled with fair value gap, and I'm expecting that okay, price could just I don't care. Price could just trade into it and then flush down. It could just trade into it and flush down. Okay. I think I'm interrupted a little bit. Yeah, because of this fair value gap, as I was saying, I'm expecting a drop down. And looking at it here, it can be it's very funny. On the daily time frame, I think I'm expecting I think about a 700 pips, which is me risking, I think about around 50 pips for a 700 pips move. This is for the daily time frame. Yeah. And then on the 4 hours, because of this fair value gap, which is the reason why I'm throwing a 0.50 position into the market, because of what I find on the lower time frame. If the markets drop, should the market drop from this 1 hour fair value gap, I'll be expecting that these lows around here be taken out. A trade around here to this zone is a potential it has a potential of 1 to let's look at it very well, 1 to 6.8. Yeah, so risking $1 you'll be getting $6.8 out of this market, which is very cool. So that's the reason why I'm doing another position in this market. Moving on, I will be talking about gold. I think that's the last but on the list. Gold, hmm, gold. I was expecting a good retracement before the. I'm bullish on gold too, and gold is as a safe haven asset. I expected that. I've been expecting that this overall height we break out of it. But before then, I'm expecting that okay, earlier before all these up moves started, I was like, okay, price will just can just do something like this and test this 2,000 level and then go up in this way. It's kind of happened here, but then seeing what market was doing around there, I was expecting that okay, there is a fair value gap here. There's a level here that price should get into, and then price didn't even check it at all. So I was not able to catch this long buy move, which no feelings attached because I was just no profit, no loss. Yeah. And what I'm expecting next is that okay, gold can just reverse back from this very zone or a little bit above. Why is because we have on the 4 hours, the market we traded, we have a body close this day, this long week on the 4 hours has a body close. Let me shrink this a bit. Let me shrink this a bit. Okay, this this zone, it looks like an. I make it a. I put this line here because it's looking like a an equal height. Reason being that this just a week and I just eliminate the week because this is the level that we did business. Market did business in the past and retested it and come down here and we are around here again. So well, anywhere, anyhow, I don't know. But I'm expecting a retracement that price retrace. It could come all the way down here and it may not. I'm still sitting on the fence on gold. I don't know what it will be doing next, but wherever I'll be, making an update analysis, whatever price do, I'm expecting that it still go back up. But first, a retracement, a good retracement. Yeah, before we now say, okay, we want to continue and target this very high that we are at now and over the overall height on the daily time frame, which is this level. Let me put it there. The 2145 level. So that's like the overall height. Let me delete this because I don't get into trade here. I don't get I don't get into trade here. Yeah. So that's it for today's episode of Lumibanks Forex Forecast and Analysis. I am going to catch you in the next one. Have a fruitful week.